I'm gonna make a quilted hoodie. A quilted hoodie. A couple weeks ago, I went to the thrift store with you and I found this quilt. I thought that it was hand stitched, but, and it probably is. It did come from a store though. It has a store tag on it. So I know that it wasn't like made by somebody's grandma. So I feel okay cutting into it. I'm really excited about this. I actually drafted my own pattern for a hoodie. I'm gonna make a quilted hoodie. A quilted hoodie. I have a quilted jacket, but I want a quilted hoodie. We're gonna see if this works. The pattern that I made, I literally just copied a pullover that I already have, and I just added like an inch to it because the pullover had stretch and this does not have any stretch. I'm really excited about this. I think it's gonna be really cute. I guess let's cut the pattern pieces out. The front and the back pieces together at the shoulder, and I'm actually gonna finish the raw edges of the seam on my serger because that's the easiest thing to do instead of binding them. I'm really excited about this because I'm gonna wear it when we go up north tomorrow, and I didn't think I was going to have enough time to make it, and I do, so I'm really excited about it. I'm really excited to wear it. I think it will keep me really warm. Now I'm going to attach the sleeve. I initially cut the sleeve just one half of it, but I needed to cut it on the fold. We recut them out, and now I'm going to attach them on my sewing machine. I'm just using a straight stitch. I'm actually going to push the shoulder seams to the back so that they lay nicely. The bias binding attached to the pocket, and I had to switch machines, so I'm just going to top stitch this on, and then we will attach it to the sweater. I finally get to sew up the side seams and then try it on. Died and I didn't realize, so I did miss some of putting this jacket together for you, but I can totally make a different video showing you step by step on how to make this jacket. I mean, this is how it came out. I know earlier in the video that I said I was going to make a hoodie, but it's not actually a hoodie, it's a pullover. I was just too excited in the moment. So it does have a half zip. Here's the back. If I were to make it again, I would redo the sleeve pattern. I don't really love how puffy they are. If the sleeve, you know, the shoulder seam was up here, the puff would be great. I think it would be really cute, but because it is a drop shoulder, I don't absolutely love the sleeves. When I make it again, I'm going to fix the sleeves a bit. I just think it makes me look like I have really big biceps, and that was not what I was going for. I would also put a facing on the inside so that you don't have this raw edge. I had a really hard time with figuring out the zipper, so that's kind of why I chose to do it the way that it is. But next time I know that I will be doing this with a facing. I also didn't true the side seams, so the front is longer than the back. I did put binding on it so that it looks nice. And I also have not finished the inside seams with my serger, but I will definitely do that. I was trying to get this done before we went up north. Because they got so much snow up north, we ended up not going because all of the roads were closed and we couldn't get to the area that our friends were going to get married at. So they ended up getting married here in town, and it was absolutely beautiful. I'm so happy we were a part of it. During that time when it snowed a lot up north, it was really cold down here and rainy, so it was really nice to have something super cozy. Even though it's warming up here in Arizona, I'm so happy to have this in my wardrobe, and I cannot wait to wear it for fall and winter this year. I have a lot of plans to sew some summer clothes, and I'm really, really excited about it. So if that's something that you're interested in, you are also making your own wardrobe, or you're wanting to start and you want some pattern ideas, click that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get notified when I post next. And the next video isn't going to be about clothing, but it is going to be about something really exciting in the craft room. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.